Hey everybody, it's George the Tech here at NAMM Show 2025, and I'm seeing a new brand, but something familiar at the same time, and I want to know more about it, so Andrew's here to tell us all about it.
Hey, how are you?
What's going on, Andrew?
George the Tech.
I'm Andrew Monheim from Monheim Microphones. Monheim's been around for about 9 years. I originally worked with other companies like Blue, and my mentor was the original designer of the Blue bottle, Martin Sauspierens, and he's working with me, and we're reissuing the Monheim bottle microphone. And the Monheim bottle is completely compatible with traditional capsules, NAMM vintage capsules as well. And this is going to be the new size format that you'll get used to. And it also comes with a locking swivel connector for heavier capsules that over time we also service vintage mics from Blue, etc.
So this is cross-compatible with
all
capsules
yeah.
that have been around for years and years.
Absolutely.
Okay.
And we're going to be doing a whole new capsule line where we'll have artist and producer-centric capsules. We'll have different colored capsules. We'll also have heavier capsules that might have different integration styles. And the whole goal is to expand and make the bottle system something that lasts long into the future and not just a pop-up product. It's all the original guts of the bottle, same design, same transformer manufacturer in Latvia that made the bottle for 26 years. And we have a lot of pride with this making, and it's a very durable push-button, machine-loaded spring system that just rotates 7 different positions. Amazing product, and we'll have a power supply that has an LED meter on it to monitor heater and plate voltages.
Whoa.
These are the beautiful colors. Everything's custom painted here in SoCal, handmade here as well. These are our new Fresh microphone. We had Fresh announced and it's now shipping. And we have 7 different custom candy coat finishes that are all painted here in LA. And again, this has that swivel locking mount system that you can use for podcasting, guitar amp, drum overhead. I originally designed them for drummers so that they can take them in their pockets to different gigs. And the capsule is a custom K67, and it's slightly underpolarized, so we have more headroom in the circuit, and we also have a tighter pattern, so you can use it on stage or in the studio. If you come over here, we have it set up for listening. This is the satin black version. It's part of the colors. This is our royalty microphone. The royalty is our tribute to Prince, and it's a 24 karat gold top and bottom. There's also a custom candy coat with a gold and purple sparkle. And visually it's stunning. It also has a woven metal microfiber pop filter built into it, which is also on board the Fresh microphones. So you can actually use this without a pop filter. But this was the first mic we made that was designed with an integrated pop filter, and you can use it for your glam videos, custom videos, and no pop filters necessary.
Appreciate your time, man.
Appreciate you.
Thanks a lot.
Awesome.
Nice to meet you.